as regards to kung meron pong money laundering involvement.
Sir Chair, based on the presentation, as far as I can recall, there is just one corporation there, the RMCE, where it owns an account that was subject of a petition for civil forfeiture by the MLC related to other subjects, Mr. Chair, who are not on the matrix.
Okay, so sinabi na po ni Asek Gumban, Mr. Chair, na it's up for the AMLA no, to investigate. So pwede po ba, halimbawa yung si Michael Yang, yung Alan Lin, ay ma-subject din po sa kung meron po tayong tinakikitang money laundering activity po.
Mr. Chair, we will coordinate po with the PIDEA, but then again, for the AMLC to have jurisdiction to conduct money laundering investigation, there must be an unlawful activity that has been developed already, Mr. Chair. But as regards to money laundering investigation, then we will coordinate, Mr. Chair, with the PIDEA.
Napaka-selective po ng ating mga action po ng ating gobyerno, no? Katulad nitong AMLA, Mr. Chair. Yung mga religious organizations na gumagampan ng kanilang pagtulong, mga services sa mga may hirap, sa iba't ibang mga rural areas, sinabject nyo agad sa AMLA, ay sinabject nyo agad na ma-freeze yung mga yung mga account. Samantalang ito, no, kung nakikita na natin na sinasabi naman ng PIDEA na involved sa illegal drugs at sinasabi niya naman na sina-challenge kayo na tignan ninyo. So, pwede ba mag-coordinate po, Mr. Chair, ang AMLA at saka ang PIDEA para makita lang po talaga natin na merong talagang money laundering problem dyan po.
Mr. Chair, we have a very strong coordination with the PIDEA, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, kailan po kayo mag-iimbestiga?
Mr. Chair,
O nagsisimula na?
we are coordinating with PIDEA, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, thank you, Mr. Chair. So, siguro, for the last manifestation, no, yung pong ating yung ating pong matrix na pinipresent, it seems that Michael Yang, Alan Lin, Mr. Duterte are connected. At sinasabi ng PIDEA, Alan Lin is involved in illegal drugs and Pogo. Therefore, si Michael Yang din po involved din dun sa Pogo. Iimbestigahan pa rin po ng PIDEA ang involvement ni Michael Yang kasi nakita natin yung sinabi dito ni Mr. Duterte, no, kay Michael Yang, no, kung may mapapatunayan sa kanya. Tapos ito po yung tungkol doon kay Senator Bongo. So nakakalito lang po, no. So sana po ay kung tayo po ay mag-iisip, malilink natin sila na involved sila. Okay? So yun lang po, Mr. Chair. Hintayin po natin yung mas malalim na investigation po ng PIDEA.
Okay, thank you, Congresswoman Castro. So, if I may, Congressman Abante, following the line of questioning of Congresswoman Castro, may I ask the PIDEA that yung point po na when you submit to the committee a matrix, please make sure that the information that you have gathered are enough and sufficient to be able to prove your point. Because the committee is, we have a theory Yung aming theory from the beginning of this investigation tungkol sa drugs, ay sinasabi na po natin na meron pong kaugnayan ang illegal drugs dito sa Pogo. And in between, yun ang hinuhukay natin at tinitingnan natin. Now, if personalities appear in the conduct of these proceedings, may mga personalidad na umappear, kailangan po ma-substantiate natin. Yun lang ang aking request. Kasi mahirap naman na mag-akusa tayo, tapos wala naman po tayong sufficient na ebidensya. But I do understand that the investigation is ongoing, and it's not very easy, really, to substantiate, or get more information in relation to the involvement of certain personalities. Mahirap talaga yon. Kasi hindi naman magpapahuli ng buhay kung totoo nga namang may involvement sa ganyang klaseng illegal activities yung mga yan. Hindi yan basta-basta maghuli. That's the reason why we have now uncovered that there are layerings. Naglayering po yung mga kumpanya kung saan itong mga drug personalities, alleged drug personalities are involved. Kaya ang ating na we should be circumspect at bigyan ng mas sufficient na mga information para mas tumibay ang ating mga ebidensya. Salamat, Pidea. Yes, Congressman Abante, before we proceed to another presentation.
Yeah,